Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. We will try to find the software update via the internet connection. So let's enter the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. And here we have to tap on system update. Now let's tap on online update, and now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download and update the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.